These dogs weren't gonna let him leave. The cat saw her doing makeup and wanted to try some for himself. I didn't know that foxes could laugh. This cat found a new hiding spot. Just a couple of frogs eating dinner. This frog is just chilling on a skateboard. This cat fell asleep while he was eating. Why is this dog on the roof of the car? This dog did not feel like sharing. They found this chicken walking on freshly poured cement. This dog gets so happy when he sees food he starts spinning circles. He's trying to teach his dog how to howl. This cat is fed up with these dogs. This dog thinks he's playing fetch with the person on the TV.
Well, well, well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset?
This cat gets scared by this toy. Just a monkey hanging out. I think this is this dog's first time seeing a firework. This dog is just helping his owner back up. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, consider subscribing and checking out our other videos. Thanks for watching.